Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a small but essential tool for every vinyl enthusiast, the Ferrochef 2-piece vinyl record cleaner brush. If you're serious about protecting your vinyl collection and maintaining the best sound quality, this might just be the accessory you didn't know you needed. First off, let's talk about what makes these brushes special. Each brush features carbon fiber bristles, which are soft enough to avoid scratching your records, yet durable enough to remove dust and dirt from even the tiniest grooves. The dual-row bristle design is particularly effective, reaching deep into the grooves to lift away stubborn particles that could otherwise affect playback. And the best part? These brushes are anti-static, which means they reduce that annoying crackle and pop caused by static electricity while also helping extend the life of your cartridge. Unlike some other cleaning options, these brushes don't require any sprays, liquids, or gels. You simply sweep the brush across your record before or after playback, and it does the work for you. The lightweight design, just over 2.5 ounces, makes it easy to handle, whether you're cleaning at home, in the studio, or prepping for a DJ set. Size-wise, each brush measures about 11.5 by 3.5 by 1.5 centimeters, making it compact and easy to store. They come in a convenient 2-pack, so you can keep one at home and one at your turntable setup or share with a fellow music lover. The brushes are designed to be gentle on vinyl but tough on dust, offering a quick and efficient way to maintain your records and preserve their original sound. For vinyl collectors, DJs, and audiophiles, these brushes are more than just a cleaning tool. They're an investment in the longevity of your collection. By keeping dust and static at bay, you're not only protecting your records from physical damage but also ensuring a smoother, click and hiss-free listening experience. In terms of style, the Ferrochef brushes are minimalistic and sleek, available in classic black and white, which adds a subtle touch to your record setup without any unnecessary bulk. They're easy to maintain too. Just remove any debris from the bristles before use, and they're ready for the next record. Overall, the Ferrochef 2-piece vinyl record cleaner brush is an affordable, practical, and highly effective tool for anyone who values their vinyl. It's small, portable, and built to last, making it an essential accessory for keeping your records in top condition. That's it for today's review from Product Critique. If you love vinyl as much as we do, this brush is worth considering. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.